You have to be worried, mommy. When he grows up, he's gonna be like this. How about you, Vivian? Do you want your hair to be like this? No? No. How about you? Hey, do you want your hair to be like very shy? Okay. I don't want to be I don't want my hair to be like this. Because if it's gonna be like this, I can comb it and I love combing. Okay. So our first song is called, is it right? Okay. It's called The Wind Blew East. Okay? The wind blew east. Alright? So, we all know that in the Caribbean islands, it's very windy at times and it's very sunny. Alright? So, we are going to sing the song. I want you to just clap with me. Actually, not clap, but just sing with me. We have actions to the song, so please look at teacher. Look at teacher and follow what I do, okay? Okay. Let's sit like an Indian.